Racing gas is started. We have Pearl back. Very quickly to start. Arithmetic in second. Moving upon the outside. Southern Warrior. While Aramis is the early trailer. We have Pearl back. Followed closely by Arithmetic in second. Southern Warrior is down in third. While Aramis is still running at the tail of the field. And going along for the first turn. Two entries running past us. Taken running by the rail is Pearl back. Alongside comes Arithmetic. 5 lengths further back. In third comes Southern Warrior. While Aramis is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Arithmetic moves up by the head. Running by the rail is Pearl back. While Southern Warrior having some problem. Then comes entry number 3 Aramis to take third. And at the fourth turn we have Arithmetic by about half length. Running by the rail is Pearl back. Aramis comes next while Southern Warrior now running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch with Arithmetic. This time by about 2 lengths. Pearl back in second as they swing for home. Arithmetic this time draws clear by about 4 lengths. Pearl back in second with about 100 meters up the race. We have Arithmetic by about 6 lengths, followed by Pearl back. And finally, it's Arithmetic. Second is Pearl back. Third, Southern Warrior.
Ito yung favorite mo. Binaligtad lang after ito eh.
2-1-4-3.
1-4-3.
Yes. At that's Jackie J.V. Hernandez. Nakadalawang panalo si Uno ngayon at isang segundo.